So if you don't want to just read the content that was produced by Gemini, there is a way to make the content to be more audible. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can listen to the answer from Gemini on both desktop and mobile version. Although on the mobile version, there is a much better feature that you can use to talk to Gemini. But anyway, let's focus on the desktop version first. So if you're using the desktop or web version of Gemini and you want to just listen to the answer, you can scroll down to the very end of the answer and you'll see this set of menus. Just click this three dots icon and click listen, and basically Gemini will produce an audio based on the text that was generated. Let me give you an example. Okay, I click the button and it will immediately start creating an audio file and it will
Here's
play
how
that
to cook
audio.
instant ramen in 5 short steps, assuming you're using a standard stovetop package. 1. Boil water.
Okay, that's just one example. And that's basically how you can listen to the answer on the desktop version. Now on the mobile version, you can also get the same feature. And there is also another feature that's really amazing. It's called live mode or voice mode, where you can literally just talk back and forth with Gemini. Now let me give you how you can do it in the mobile version. So I'm going to open my Android emulator, but the process will be the same even though if you're using the real Android phone. Now let's open Gemini app and I'll give you the text-to-speech mode first. So I'm going to open the same conversation and you'll see that there is this speaker icon that you can click and it will immediately produce an audio content.
Here's how to cook instant ramen in 5 short steps, assuming you're using a standard stovetop package.
Okay, that's just one example. But again, there is this live mode that you can open and have a conversation with AI. You can tap on this live mode icon and start speaking. Let me give you an example. Hey there, is there anything else that I need to do first before I start cooking my ramen?
Yes, there are a few things you can do to make your ramen even better. Before you start cooking, gather any toppings you'd like to add. A soft-boiled egg, some chopped scallions, or a sprinkle of sesame seeds can really elevate your bowl. You can also add a splash of soy sauce or a dash of chili oil for extra flavor.
Just the things that are necessary. Can you continue?
Sorry about that. Okay, so you've boiled the water, added the noodles, and cooked them until they're soft.
Okay, can you
now
tell
you'll
me
need
just
to drain
the most
water.
important things?
Sure, here are the most important steps for cooking.
Okay, that was a problem, but usually you can just interrupt Gemini when speaking, and that's actually one benefit of using the live mode on the Gemini mobile app. Unfortunately, again, this feature is only available on the mobile version. There is no similar feature in the desktop version, but I'm hoping that we will see that in the near future. So anyway, that's how you can enable the live mode and also use the text-to-speech technology on the Gemini desktop app. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.